Here's a really quick guide for how to add a video using dynamic data to your Bubble app. So I have my marketplace app here that I'm building. I've got a slideshow. Check out our earlier videos to see how that works. And I'm going to add a big video down here to demonstrate my product. Let me just have a look at my page layout. Pop open the reveal in elements tree. Okay, so I've got a hero section that's got columns, right? So let's add in a group down here, and I'm going to make the group into a column and set it its max width to the same value that I've set my hero section to 1240. Okay, and then I add in a video element, and I'm going to make my video element 100%, and let's make that yeah, 55. That looks fairly good. Okay, so how do I tell Bubble what video I want to show, and how do I make it dynamic? So Bubble asks for a video ID. Now with YouTube, I believe that is this portion here. So I need to go into my database, into my product, whatever data type you're using, create a new field, call this video ID, and it's going to be text because it's storing text. Great, and then if I go into my app data, find my product, video ID field is now there. I'm going to copy and paste. Okay, and now I can add this as current page because my current page is my product, and then video ID. And to preview this, I'm going to have to preview my index page and click on my, this is just a repeating group of all my products. You will have seen I've just got one product, so this links through to my sneakers, and okay, there we go. Not looking so good. Let's just style that a bit. Let's work through. My group, I need to align that centered. Let's check that that's done it. As the group is acting as a bit of a container. There we go. And then 55 fix. Let's just try that. So there is a little bit of a tricky thing going here because YouTube it basically acts as an iframe, like an embed code is what Bubble's generating here. So I do actually think I have to give that a fixed value. So I'm going to kind of eyeball it, give it like a 750 value. But if you really wanted to work it out, you would you need to kind of calculate it using aspect ratios. Okay, there we go. That's almost perfectly done, apart from I've got a slight black bar at the top. So there you have it. That is in less than 4 minutes how to add a video to a page using a YouTube video using dynamic data.